Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to organize your files with Dropbox. It's very easy for you to organize your files thanks to the fact that Dropbox can automatically back up your files. As you can see here, it will say that my files are up to date and I can pause the sync however I like to. In order for you to organize your files, simply click up here on the little folder icon and you'll be brought to your file explorer. Obviously, as you can see, I don't have anything here currently. However, if I were to have any files, you'd be able to see them here. And from here, you could organize what files you would like to keep and which ones you'd like to delete. In order for you to change what files you'd like to back up and which ones you wouldn't like to, simply click on your account here and click on Preferences. From here, click on Backups. And now you can click on Manage Backups and you could click on Let's Get Started. And then you can choose which files you'd like to back up. Then whenever you're done, simply click Save and it will automatically back up all of your files. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.